A eunuch trusted by my queen, I travel far to pray. I seek the temple of my God, but walls turn me away. The eunuch may not go inside this place of prayer and praise, but as I am and where I am, my heart's cry I must raise. Excluded by the human law, unjust, unfair, and wrong, I lift my prayer, I worship God, I raise an angry song. What hurt is done to me by this? What hurt is done to you? You do not even know my name, yet dare call me taboo. I head for home with heavy heart, I wipe my weeping eyes to study what the prophet wrote, and then to my surprise, a passing stranger calls to me. I beckon him to come. I help him up, he helps me see that I have found my home. I am a person, I am here, part of the human race. The God of love has come